Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing an unboxing, and this time I purchased something from Joie De Viv, and I just got this today and I am so excited. And yeah, this is a true unboxing. I haven't really opened this box yet, and yeah, so just letting you know guys that this is not a small leather goods and a purse or anything like that, but rather this is a jewelry. So anyway, let me open this box first. Okay, it was wrapped nicely. Okay, let me just remove this. That guys, oh my gosh, it came in with this beautiful pink box with the ribbon box. Look at the box guys, it's so beautiful. It's pretty in pink, and then the ribbon right here is more of like a yellow. Very pretty. So let's open this together, see what I got. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. The packaging is so beautiful. Look at that. It's amazing. Wow. Oh my gosh. It looks like they're let me just see what we have here on the drawer. So this one, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So what do we have here? Okay, so this is the Joie De Viv. This is more likely the leaflets. Okay, some information about the brand, care instructions, and also welcome note. Wow. Oh wow, this one has, oh, I believe this is the pouch that came with it. Look at that, it is so pretty, which is also in pink. So beautiful. Wow. The material is more likely a microfiber material, and it's magnetic. It's beautiful. Very, very nice. Wow, very nice. It looks so luxurious though. So what else do we have here? Okay, so this one is okay. Oh, this is the card. Oh, this is actually the Igi certification from the International Gemological Institute. And then this is what I got. Oh wow, this is like the information and yeah, certification for the item that I purchased. So it's like, yeah, they're very detailed about it. And also look at the photos right there. That is actually what I purchased. So I will be showing you in a little bit. Wow. Okay, so this is like for report for certification purposes, so making it sure that you got something authentic. So just in case if you want to probably sell it later on. But anyway, oh my gosh, are you guys ready for this? Okay, oh my gosh, so I can't wait to see this. It's so beautiful. Oh, looks like the other way around. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful, so dainty, and it was so pretty. Look at the box guys. Look at that jewelry box right there that came with it. It has a light. Wow. Oh my gosh, I think this is one of the most beautiful jewelry box I've seen so far. Velvety soft, and look at that light right there that shines through the ring. Oh my gosh. It's so, I mean, the box itself, it's like, it's beautiful. Wow, it's worth every penny. So the one that I got is the Aurora diamond ring. And this one is actually made up of a solid 18K yellow gold band. And okay, let me just try to take this one out. And oh wow, I just can't get over how pretty that box is. Look at that. Okay, here's what I got. So it says non-returnable if removed. Yeah, just this is just the tag that they have. And then wow, let me put this ring. Oh wow, look at that, guys. This one is so pretty. Look at those 5 beautiful round diamonds around it. Look at that. And it's so pretty. Wow. Well, the band is not that, the band is really not that thick though, because I wanted to get a ring, for something that, that is just like thin and also like lightweight. Like I want to wear a ring that I almost like there's nothing there on your hand, and I think this is perfect. And I also wanted to get something that has a little bit of stone around it. So I think this one is really perfect, guys. Wow. So let me show you right here, and also look at those beautiful round diamonds around it. So, and this is the certification that they have, and this one, it says here, this is actually laboratory grown diamonds. And yeah, lab grown diamonds. And yeah, it's nice that it came in with the certification though. I mean, oh my gosh, I mean, the box is beautiful, it's perfect, and the ring, oh wow, it's so dainty, it's so beautiful. Wow, I mean, just the packaging itself, I am sold. I am completely surprised of how beautiful and luxurious it is. Oh my gosh. And it was actually a friend of mine. Shout out to my friend Analu. She actually referred me this beautiful brand from Joie De Viv, and I was so excited. So this one, I think it took them a week to ship this. Yeah, it took them a week. No, 3 days. I waited 3 days for them to ship this one out. And overall, it takes a little over a week to receive this one. But if you want to have it like expedited, so you have that options right there. And wow, this is perfection. You can actually, this is perfect for Mother's Day, for your sisters, for birthdays, for any occasion. It's just beautiful. But yeah, I mean, I think, yeah, you could stack this with a lot of rings out there. You could stack this with your engagement ring, with your wedding ring, or anything. But I just wanted to get something that I could just wear it on its own. And I think this one just by itself, it's already pretty. Wow. I was so surprised. I bet if you would gifted this to your friends or family or whoever, they would definitely gonna love it. They would definitely gonna love the experience of just opening the package with this beautiful jewelry box in here. Oh my gosh, it does feel so luxurious though. Wow, the cushion right here. Wow, it is indeed made up of, wow, high quality materials. Absolutely amazing, guys. Definitely gonna recommend this. Absolutely amazing. So if you wanted to, I would probably put the description on my description down below about this particular piece that I got. This is the Aurora diamond ring, and yes, it is so beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at those diamonds right there. It is so absolutely amazing. I would highly recommend it. The experience is amazingly beautiful. I mean, I was totally surprised with how beautiful it is. The box itself is amazing. I love the pink. The everything about this piece is beautiful. Wow. I was just checking if there's still something around here. There's there's nothing else, but yeah, it's beautiful just like that. Wow, the box for this little tiny ring came in with this box. Definitely, it's amazing. Yeah, so yeah, if you're interested, I would put the link down below, and definitely gonna recommend this. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.